Are you looking for the best leaf shredder in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best leaf shredder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Worx 13 amp electric leaf shredder. The Worx 13 amp electric leaf mulcher, which offers a mighty 53 gallons of shredding and mulching per minute, making it one of the most efficient units we've selected. With a mulching ratio of 11:1, this corded leaf mulcher reduces 11 bags of dried leaves to a single bag of small shreds. It's super easy to put together, with fast, tool-free assembly, which also means it is easy to store once winter rolls around. The collection bag fits perfectly underneath to catch your mulched leaves, making it easy to move them from the yard to wherever you want to put them. Many customers have commented that it makes for great fertilizer, so if you've not explored that option yet, keep it in mind. However, the bladeless trimmer feels a little too flimsy for some, particularly folks who also like to shred twigs and branches. You can purchase alternatives online, though. So if there's enough about this electric leaf mulcher that you love, this minor problem shouldn't affect you too much. Up next in the 4th place is the GreatCircleUSA 7 HP gas-powered heavy-duty leaf shredder. It's the ideal choice for gardeners and folks with large backyards or extensive lawns, as it can tackle volume cleaning up at speed. From dead leaves to branches covering your land, this 3-in-1 wood chipper shredder machine can easily handle all your chipping, shredding, and mulching needs. It features a top hopper and a side chute so that you can efficiently tackle all kinds of cleaning up jobs around the garden. The large capacity top hopper is great for volume shredding. It has a mulch reduction capacity of 15:1, which makes excellent recyclable compost to sustain a natural outdoors ecosystem. The side chute features a 3-inch diameter cone ideal for smaller branches and tree limbs, keeping you safe while saving time and energy. The 3rd vacuum-style option enables you to load leaves via the vacuum inlet for convenient mulching without raking by hand. Simply attach a side-loading bag to capture and collect wood chips and mulch cleanly. The 3rd product on our list is the Sun-Joe CJ603E 15 amp silent wood chipper shredder. The Sun-Joe CJ603E wood chipper shredder is one of the best leaf mulcher models on the market. This model has one of the best leaf to mulch ratios we've reviewed at a highly impressive 21:1. The robust and reliable 15 amp motor also works quickly and efficiently to chip and shred even slightly thicker branches up to 173 inches in diameter. This Sun-Joe leaf shredder is compact, portable, and comes fitted with 7-inch wheels, so it's easy to transport. It's lightweight yet robust, and you should have no problem maneuvering it around your backyard. The slimline design also makes it convenient to store away when not in use. Simply store it in your garden shed or garage when winter rolls around. It's also very low maintenance and requires minimal cleaning, and you can just wipe it down with a damp cloth when it picks up any dirt. While the motor may be powerful, essential safety features are incorporated into the design, including a locking knob that prevents the motor from being operated when the hopper is open. The built-in safety stop automatically engages, so you can clean up your yard and enrich your garden with confidence and ease. Second on our list is the Flowtron L900 Leaf Eater Mulcher Shredder. The Flowtron L900 is probably more successful than any desperate cash grab released in recent years. Looking at you, Transformers. It has many cool features, including shredding adjustment settings ranging from coarse to fine and easy angle positioning. With a 2-step process, you can shred leaves and then mulch them for fast cleanup and maximum waste reduction. The unit is also lightweight and portable, so you'll have no trouble dragging it around the yard or storing it when the weather turns. You can't throw just anything in there, though, as this leaf mulcher is only effective with leaves and needles as opposed to larger garden waste like branches, thicker twigs, etc. That being said, when used properly, it's quick, efficient, and even fun to use. This is the best leaf mulcher for you if you're looking for an efficient unit with a high mulching ratio. Finally, the top product on our list is the Earthwise 15 amp garden electric chipper. The Earthwise 15 amp garden electric chipper shredder comes with its own 10.5-gallon collection bin for your and the planet's benefit, and boasts the ability to shred branches, leaves, and twigs up to 2 inches thick. This is combined with a safe, secure leaf chute instead of more shallow and open designs. Instead of shredding string, you get heavy-duty steel blades, although there aren't any replacements which you can sharpen when they don't work as efficiently as they once did. This electric leaf shredder greatly minimizes yard work and includes a security circuit breaker to prevent overheating, which is ideal for anyone who can't help but add more leaves and even more leaves. However, while effective, the chute and blade design can lead to some clogging issues when clearing damp leaves, which can be a challenge to solve considering the setup. To overcome this, some reviewers recommend having a plunger on hand. It's not an ideal solution, but if it works, it's not stupid either. Overall though, this is one of the best leaf mulchers in this category and price range. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.